forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more of Abbi's Madness. What's up, guys? I don't know the good girl there. People, good girl just don't exercise. You know, good girl just don't exercise. No, man, I just start exercise. I start exercise from when? In October 24, even though I miss about 3 days. I miss about 3 days, you know. But good girl back at it again, cause people, good girl birthday coming, good girl birthday coming. November 17th, Scorpio Queen. So people, good girl phones right now, good girl phones. I you know good girl I go jump in the bathroom there for like some load, you know. Cause you know, I don't know something with me and do the something about me. Yes, I'm gonna take a shit and then I'm gonna bathe and so yeah. Wash off the sweat off of the stay good body. So people, good girl body I get stay good. Good girl body I get stay good. You know, so workout really work, guys. Workout really work. People do not understand how workout work. Yeah, workout work. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna be it. When I'm gonna be it. And then I'm gonna get, like, before I eat, I'm gonna take that something my sister give me. Yes, TLC, total life change, something. So yes, basically this like I'm shit down the whole place. Cause I take it now. I take it now. I pay shit me a shit. You know what I mean? The bin love shit already. And I take that now. I did. It a wash me right out. Yeah, remember good girl birthday when the corner, so good girl have to slim down. Yeah, guys, so when I just start work, I did a 174. Yeah, 170. No, before I start workout, guys, I did 174. Now today when I go up on the scale, I go 166. Yeah, I just done workout now. So guys, November 15, I'm gonna show you the result. But guess what? I want to do a special surprise to somebody. Somebody sweet 16. But I have to wait until good girl brush her teeth. Come Tina brush yet. I have to wait until good girl brush her teeth, be a do and come back to you. So make sure you hit that one, subscribe if you don't know. And make sure you tell a friend about Abbi's Madness, you know. Make sure you tell a friend about Abbi's Madness, you know. Yeah, I run go over to a couple channel Abbi and keep a JA. Also, remember to follow on a good girl on the gram down below. Yeah, good girl at, good girl burning up right over there. So go follow Abbi at us. Yeah, so guys, my go big. But I forgot one of them for no. Lord Jesus. Yeah, people, so good girl up on the toilet. I'm telling them I'm gonna bring them, but I'm not gonna show enough. Lord Jesus, I'm nasty, you know, people, I'm nasty right through. Yeah, and as in a quint, I'm gonna jump in the shower. Watch a quint. Shower. I forgot some kid in the clothes, my fling off that shirt, yeah. Sports bra. But I forgot some kid in the best, and I don't know, so I forgot fling off this too. Oh, nothing gonna do. I gotta say, good girl titties. Showering. People are no good girls, so I be know I'm depend this, but guess what? Yeah, me I go depend it. Cause me not make she stop me from talk to Ono. Me not make she stop. Dirty girl. You never have to do that in a Abbi. You never have to do that. Anyway, people, the good girl, they. Hello. Yeah, people, I want to talk about your fix good. Yeah, I do it tired, I pull out. People just there at the house, I'm there bored and so, you know. I'm going to say, no, sir, I got to talk to Abbi's Madness. That's where I feel most comfortable. And that's how I drop it. Yeah, guys, so guess what? Guys, remember me telling about the total life changing so much, so, you know. Right about now, I'm going to take mine. I'm supposed to take twice daily, but, you know, good girl take twice one time because good girl no follow rules. I'm supposed to take it with specific amount of water, but good girl no measurement. Yeah, good girl don't know measurement. So a good girl are gonna clap them too, you know. Yeah, pop it right off. Yeah, like so awesome. Alright, people, watch ya. Where good girl carry will post phone. Watch ya. Every time good girl I make video, every time you just beard up in the background. Yeah, that's why I don't watch one of the ghosts. I don't watch one of the ghosts them. Yeah, guys, yeah. So that's about no I put what them in this, yeah. Throw them right in it. Say we don't eat that. Say what they say, say we stink and want to be the people. Throw it right in there, so good girl I lose weight, you know, because you know November 17th, Scorpio Queen Madness, so. Yeah. Put it right down there, so zip this. Don't freak yourself with me. I say, what's the look of dirty dog? I take time to try to go for them. People, you're not going to shake it up so. But I'm supposed to find one. It have a certain measurement where you're supposed to put it in. But good girl no measurement as I say. Shake it well until everything blend right out. Shake it. All I want people, this look like too much, you know. Everything shake well, everything deserve, and I'm supposed to drink it 30 minutes before me eat something. Yeah, I can't drink it 30 minutes after me eat something, yeah. Alright. The people me don't know, it's like every time good girl decide to do video, you ever see that fat slug they up there, so always, every time. When me not have a video, him not come right out, him don't come out. Yes, I'm have to drink all of this, yeah. About a couple minutes from now, you just hear a good girl in the bathroom, I'm dead. I'm dead and so, So guys, I can't really drink all of this one time. I should have drink it as I done exercise. You know, them time I'm thirsty and so I just go down everything because I'm normally drink it. But I know that God. But people, oh my God. But man, want to talk to me now, Talk to me, a good girl not losing weight. Oh, it's time for my ugly panty and so. Drink, lose weight. You know why I lose weight for my birthday? You know why I lose weight for Christmas? This also washing it out. Wash on the right out too. Yeah, washing it out. So anyways, guys, come back here, so. People, you know what I'm saying last week? Good girl they clean out her closet in people. And guess what good girl buck up on? Good girl buck up on a nice sweet 16 dress. Well, at the time I was 17, but them things of me they go turn 16, you know. Them don't know nothing about me. Yeah, guys, so good girl buck up on her sweet 17 dress and so, but you know what I decide for do is get somebody who want to turn 16. Who born in November, you know, yeah, November, because my month, that's a good girl. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm showing you just one nice little pink Cinderella dress. If you don't like pink, yeah, but guys, what a dress there. Right, yes, so people, right, yes, so. Yeah, guys, look on the dress, Guys, how many combo the dress there? But this is one picture with Riri, you know, just similar to this. Yeah. I don't know if I can find the picture. If I can find it, I put it here, so. But if I see my foot up there and no picture not there, you know, say I never find it. Alright. Say my look at me, I don't want to see my face. Yeah, guys, so. I don't love good girl and so that. I don't hear what you say. I don't love good girl and so that. Yes, a good girl decides to show her somebody something who bad in a good girl month, you know. Who bad in a good girl month and so. Yeah, when you can ban before me or after me. Best believe so when time I slim. I'm slim down one day in a couple months ago. Good girl could have fit in there. But you know, good girl get fat and so good girl can hold it there. I'm gonna wear this back again. So guys, if you know nobody, if you watch me, I know nobody who will turn 16. Like guys, more somebody who will turn 16. Yeah. DM up on Instagram, right there, Abbi Atas. Are you said that? Are you so? Right there, Abbi Atas. You have to make sure so the person can fit in that dress. You have to make sure so you can fit in that dress if you are watching for yourself. Yeah, guys, I'm wanting to take picture. I'm wanting to tag me. That's what I can repost. You know what a Cinderella princess dress. No, talk truth. Princess. So the rightful color here, guys. DM up on Instagram. Over here, sir. I'm still over here, sir. DM up on Instagram. You know my face over here, sir, though. DM up on Instagram. How am I going to take a thumbnail now? Wait, I got to take a thumbnail. No, people talk truth. Look how good girl getting slim right there. Ah! Slim. Shape. Yeah, good girl getting right there. November 17th, Scorpio Queen. I wish my happy birthday. So make sure you post me, you know. Make sure you post me by Instagram and I feel like my things. Because you know some ever cost the people them man I say how much you feel like my things. I want to post me on my birthday and make me feel like my things. Yeah. So I drop it. Yeah. Look at it again. Nice little pink dress. And guys, it's not too short. Me, I know say I love Abbi's madness. Yeah. So I drop it. Yeah, Scorpio Queen Pandem. Una have to send on an ID too. Come I have to know say una born in November. I have to know say una Scorpio and so. Yeah, cause now go down somebody who actually born. That's why I can post you know. And say yes, we want to go follow Scorpio Queen and so. Yeah. Dress. You know for the dress now. I want to talk about. I'm a dream about the team. I'm a slim. I'm not telling like good girl have a slim by her birthday. My goal for my birthday for reach 130. Yeah. Move and go, you not lose no weight, dirty girl. Go, you're gonna forever fat. Let me tell you, you know, say, when you see her so bad mind though, because so big and fat and stable, and so she want to try to break me. She want to try to break me, but guess what, people, when kind of negativity they might come to her, I can try and motivate her right now, also, because you know the good girl love motivate. But say if none of you are feeling down right now, if you guys are feeling down right now, and if be a backlash and negativity and like when I go so. Yes, and I have to stand up firm and strong in this. Because guess what, as I always say, the people them fight against you know, because them maybe want to do the things them want to do. I'm afraid for do it because them lack a personality. So yeah. People, I'm telling you, some people call me, some people say me just too extra. Because guess what, good girl have a vibrant personality. And good girl not gonna change for none of them dirty people. Good girl not gonna change for none of them dirty people. Yeah, because me not gonna stop being myself just to please the people. Nah, I'm extra to them and also. Enough people love my extra behavior, which is me being myself. Yeah, but if you don't have a dirty personality or so, you don't need to change that, you know. But me being myself as in jovial and all of that, and them are going to say me extra and so, because they may be used to boring people. Me not change for them dirty people, Nah. So good girl, I drop it. Change wear, extra, jovial, change wear, change when, change up. That's guys, people. Wanna see how fast my good girl belly bubble up? No, talk truth. Except for not go work and so, I can't take them somewhere until I reach on the yard. So I reach on the yard, I have to take this. That's it, licking on the bad track like and so. Yo, I can't take them somewhere when I not go work. Them somewhere will shame me, I work, make a shit up yourself. You don't want that, you don't need that. But you need to wash out and lose weight. So, you have to know when I do. Set up a schedule also. A schedule. Set up something. Yeah, guys. But talk to look how good girl nice and so. Good girl nice and so, you know. Good girl don't look too bad. Watch ya, no makeup, watch ya. You want to do, no makeup and so. But good girl looking nice. Good girl looking really nice. My ugly sometimes, you know, I'm not gonna lie, my ugly sometimes and so. But you know, with a look good lighting, a look nice ear ketchup and so, good girl can present herself properly and so. Yeah. I'm gonna say no people that talk about my answer, but guys, people, I just want dirty habit my pick up. Hopefully I'm broke out tight soon, but I kinda like it, you know, but I don't like when I say too much, even though I can't control myself and so. Same thing. But don't say it. More control myself. I don't want to say it too much, but it just a split out. So I can't do it, I can't manage it, people. Wanna just bear with good girl now? Good girl, bear with good girl. Wanna see some attack and arm was done? Yeah, yeah. Right in the bathroom I'm gonna go. Right in there I'm gonna went. But people are going good girl forget to do an intro. No, sir, good girl for do a proper intro. Hold on, watch your slim. Alright. Abbi, 1, 2, 3, go. What's up, guys? You don't know a good girl? Back at it again with more of Abbi's Madness. I have to do it. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I finish this. And then I'm gonna wait for 30 minutes for try and get something to eat. Even though I feel good girl belly already, you know, but you know. Gotta lose weight. Gotta wash me out, cause I gotta eat enough. I gotta eat enough for my birthday. Stay there. Yeah, guys, empty back. Myself, I don't want something in life, I have to determine. I can't want something and don't put in the work. I see that good girl want to sleep back. I listen to a good girl if I go through. So my time I have to cry now. Guys, my time I'm going to cry also. But I want to slim. I'm determined for slim. So good girl work out. I work out. I try best work out every morning also. I try best to drink that every day. I'm determined, bad. Scorpio again with a dress. A Scorpio queen, gotta get this. I'm gonna edit this now for me put up. That's what I see, yeah? Oh my God, I burped. Right about now, good girl belly bubble. So guys, what about now? I have to just cut the video. So make sure you hit like button, subscribe if you're new, and make sure you tell the friend about Abbi's Madness. Yeah! Yeah, guys. guys, remember follow me on the gram down below, right there, sir. Yeah, what are some dirty people? I want some dirty people when I like Abbi's Madness. But say guys, as but drop a video, so boop, dislike. Yeah, them hate me. I don't know why the people them hate me. I'm so nice. My nice bad. My nice, you know? No, talk to. Little cold though. We are talk to. My nice, you know? Large, you understand how nice I am. I'm very nice. So guys, good girl, nice answer. Yeah, and dirty people just hate me. So tell us, you can't please people. No matter how much I'm nice answer, I'm still gonna hate. Yeah, guys. So you know, I think this was a good motivational speech. Hello, people. Bye.